Hi everyone, today is Thursday and yesterday we talked about our favorite fruit. So once again, we start with a topic sentence, then we do 2 to 3 details, and last we do a conclusion. So today we were talking about opinion writing the best fruit. So there were a lot of choices. I chose lemons. And you'll remember I talked about, I created a circle map with my topic being lemons and why I like them. So now I'm going to write a paragraph with my graphic organizer. So my topic sentence is my opening. So I'm going to say the best fruit to eat is a lemon. Then I'm going to give reason 1, reason 2, and reason 3. Let's look at this. They're yellow and they are pretty. So I will say they are a pretty yellow color. Okay, so my word there is pretty. That's how I feel. Some people don't think yellow is a pretty color. Okay, let's look at some other choices. So I did this one and I did they're pretty. Let's do they taste sour. Okay, so here I go again. Oh, oops. What happened? Oh, okay, I'll do it again. Lemons is a lemon. Reason 1, reason 2, reason 3 is they are a pretty yellow color. I could say I like the yellow. I meant the sour taste. I like the sour taste. And then last of all, so I just did this one. And I did these two already, and I really do like that it makes water taste better. I really like eating. It disappeared again. That's okay. I'll write it one more time. Okay, so I said the best fruit to eat is a lemon. Reason 1 is they are a pretty yellow color. Reason 2, I like the sour taste. And then reason 3, they make water taste fresh. I just say better. They make water taste better. Okay. And then last of all, a blank is the tastiest fruit of all. I'd say a lemon is the tastiest fruit of all. Okay. Now, even though I mentioned taste 2 times, this time I'm saying it's sour, and this time I'm saying it makes water taste better. So they are different reasons. Okay, so once again, you'll remember that when our example was guava, and they gave a bunch of reasons why guava right here is the best. So this is what they said. The best fruit to eat is a guava. Reason 1, sweet tropical flavor. Reason 2, makes a tasty juice. Reason 3, good for making jelly. And then their closing, a guava is the tastiest fruit of all. I'm excited to see which fruit you chose, and I hope this makes sense. Okay, bye everyone.